I don't know why I always end up vlogging in the kitchen, but I do. I'm about to unbox all of these guys, and not gonna lie, I've been waiting to do this for quite a while. Hi guys, and welcome to another little vlog, a day in my life, if you will. I have quite a few things to get done today. Still need to edit my Paris vlog. I mean, I almost finished one of them last night, but I just need to add the final touches and make sure everything is okay. And then I want to do the thumbnail for that one as well and upload it. And then what else? I got some parcels that I'm gonna open with you guys because I cannot wait any longer, so I'm super excited for that. I'm not sure if I like this bun situation, so do let me know what you think in the comments, but I guess we're just gonna rock with it today. Although I'm not gonna lie, I'm in a bun phase. I feel like even at work I've been wearing them quite a lot, mostly because I don't really like my hair. Anyway, so little change of scenario. I'm currently on the couch and I'm about to open the first parcel. We're gonna start with the biggest one. I already know what this one is because I ordered it. I got this one from Clarins, and let's just crack this open, shall we? So this is how the box is looking like. Super pretty, but let's just take all this shit out. Alrighty, so this is what I got. A little set for combination to oily skin. And this one has a cleansing milk, a purifying toning lotion, and then also an exfoliating gel. And it comes with a little pouch as well. The only reason why I got this is because I ran out of my favorite toner, which is this one here. And getting this whole thing, strangely enough, was cheaper than getting the toner itself. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try some new products and I'm gonna give this a go. It's full size as well, so might as well. I'm curious to see how the pouch looks like. So all the products are in this little pouch. I think it's super cute. And then of course also got some minis, some little testers. Okay, moving on, the next parcel is from Fantastic, and I got a couple of bits I was running out of, so let's just crack this open as well. Okay, so I got quite a few goodies, starting off with these little micellar water. This is the Garnier Skin Active Pure Active. I love this line, but I'm not too sure why Boots and Superdrug don't sell it. Then next up I got some Monday Smooth Conditioner. I used this for a while now and I was running low, so I decided to get another one. And then also got some Ordinaries. I got the DHA peeling solution and also the caffeine solution. I used both these before and I really love them. Okay, so next up I got two GlossyBox boxes. Literally have no idea what they have inside, so this is gonna be very interesting. I love to get a beauty box every once in a while because I get to try new products. So this is the first box. From the outside it's pretty plain. It's like they're classic pink boxes, so I'm not really sure what to expect, but let's see. Oh my god, it smells very good. Ooh, tea pan. So this is the first glimpse of it, but let's see what these products actually are. So I got a Gatineau Paris. I'm not even sure if that's how you pronounce it. It's a little water cream, long-lasting hydration for plump radiant skin. Then we got a little Glow On Fifth Beauty Lip Dew Tinted Lip Balm. I'm quite intrigued about this one, so let me just crack this open and see how it looks like. I feel like every single thing I got is kind of like blue inspired, so that's kind of cool. It smells like strawberries, which I'm not really a fan of. Oh, and it's like pink. Next up I got a Deep Sleep Body Coconut Beauty Sleep Saver for better nights and brighter mornings. I'm actually quite excited. I think I'm gonna love this one. Then next up I got a little eyeshadow palette, which is nicely secure in this bubble wrap. This is the thing that smells very good. That is interesting. It's from the brand Sophia plus Mabel. These are my colors. I'm super excited for this one. It literally matches my sweater, which is the one that I got from Liverpool, if you guys remember. And then last but not least, we got a little Pro White teeth whitening pen. Now we're gonna move on to the second one. This one also smells very good. That's the first glimpse. It's kind of funny because the other one to me was like blue tinged, and this one is kind of like pink tinged, and those are like probably my favorite colors. The first thing I got is this little Knee Plus Fab Purify Salidesic Fix Facial Scrub. Oh my god, I'm super excited. I never tried Knee Plus Fab, but I know it's a very good brand. Next up, I got a Sakajuan. How do you say it? Anyway, I got this little anti-pollution shampoo, and it's like a little simple size, but will be quite good to go in my gym bag whenever I go to the gym. I can just try this out. Then we got a little photo face, photo finish effect in a flash. It minimizes the appearance of pores, fine line, and uneven skin texture, and it helps to lock in moisture and keep makeup in place. So it's a little primer from what I'm assuming, and it looks pretty sick. Moving on, we got two more things. The first thing is this Spectrum Rock and Glam, and it's a A40 smoky shadow. No idea what to expect. Is this a pencil or is it a little brush? Let's see. Oh, it's a brush. Okay. It feels like a pretty high quality brush. I definitely have way too many brushes and I do not need another one, but I can't really complain. And then to finish it off, we got a Floss Eyeshadow Squad eyeshadow palette. Cute. So it's a mini palette. It's in white and it says gloss in pink, which I think is super cute. Let's see the colors. Nice. They're also my colors. They're quite like beigey and brownish, which I do really like. Again, this is not something that I do on a monthly basis. Every once in a while I do enjoy getting a little monthly box and try new things out. I think it's a good way to get out of the rut when it comes to your makeup routine, your beauty routine, skincare, all of that stuff. And I actually do have a code for you guys if you like to try GlossyBox, so I'll leave that right here in the screen and you can check it out also in the description down below. So that is everything I got, which is quite a lot, I feel like. And then of course this little pouch and quite a few coupons. I'm quite happy with everything I got. Now I think I'm gonna clear up the mess that I made and then make some lunch. This is literally what I'm dealing with. So Alessia just texted me and asked me if I want to do more hours. I mean, this is not what I was anticipating on doing, but... Okay, update. I said yes to Islington, so I'm actually gonna work tonight. I wanted to do a little like skincare and try all these new products out with you guys, but we might postpone that. I'm about to have some lunch and I'm gonna make one of my new obsession. I got some teriyaki chicken from Itsu. I literally got this for free. The branch where I'm currently working in is literally next to Itsu, and you know, we do food swap, and whenever they have stuff that they need to chuck away or there's too much and they didn't sell, they would just bring it to us. So I went ahead and chopped all the chicken. Now I'm gonna warm this up in the microwave. Okay, so now we mix. And now I'm gonna pop it back in the microwave. So while we wait for my chicken to cool down, I'm gonna do the salad part. So I'm gonna put these spinach down, just like that. And I'm gonna pop my shredded lettuce on top. Next up, the best part, we're gonna add some peanut butter dressing. I get this from Itsu as well, and it's so good. Just gonna drizzle that. Just gonna add the rice on top. I don't know about you guys, but to me this looks very yummy. I made this yesterday and I really enjoyed it, but I'm still gonna do a little taste test with you guys to see if it's like the one that I made yesterday. Most likely it will. I'm gonna try to take a bite of everything. There we go. It's so good. Simply, so good. The peanut butter dressing also has a kick to it, like a little spice, and it's so good. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my meal. I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and then I might do a little bit of editing before I head to Islington. I'm thinking about going there with the bike because it's actually a really nice day outside, or at least it looks like it. It's very like sunny, and the sky is also blue. I know sometimes London can be triggering, and so even though the sky is blue, it's literally so cold, but I think I'll be fine cycling there. Anyway, let me enjoy this and I'll talk with you guys in a bit. I went to grab a banana from the fridge and I just realized I forgot to add a green apple to my little salad. So if you guys ever decide to try that, please add a green apple, like half a green apple, because that is like a different level of crunch and it's so good. And now I'm very upset. So I'm pretty confident in saying that my first Paris vlog is pretty much finished and ready to go. My only issue is that it's almost 20 minutes and I don't think people are gonna want to watch a 20 minutes vlog. I cut as much of it as I can, but the only reason why it's 20 minutes is that I have a lot of footage of Macy Peters' concert, and I could chop some of it out and take some songs out and any of that, but I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Finger crossed people are still gonna watch it, but you know, if not, I always do it for the memory. It's currently 3:17, so I think I might go get changed and then we might start to head out. I know for a fact that I'm super slow when I'm on a bike. It's definitely not gonna take me 15 minutes. It's most likely gonna take me half an hour to like 40-ish minutes, I guess. Yeah, let me just go get changed. Okay, so I had a little outfit and hair change and now I'm about to head out. So I'm gonna finish the vlog here. Sorry if it's a shorter one, but I really hope you enjoyed it all and you got some inspiration of what you could eat next. And with that being said, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye!